Today I'm going to go over the very quick and easy process for replacing the license plate bulbs on your third generation Tacoma. Swapping out the stock halogen bulbs with a new set of LED bulbs is a very inexpensive and again easy way to upgrade the look of your truck. You can see looking at my Tacoma on the driver's side, we've still got the stock halogen bulb on here. It doesn't really produce a whole lot of light and it's got a very yellowish tone to it. On the passenger side, we've already swapped it out with a new LED bulb, and you can see that it produces a lot more light and much better light quality. And so looking at the back of the truck at nighttime, you'll see that it just gives the truck a much more modern appearance. Now the bulb that I'm using for the install is from Lost Fit. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. If you look up close, you'll see on the left-hand side here, we've got the new Lost Fit LED bulb. Right-hand side, we've got the stock halogen bulb. So they're very similar in terms of overall size. It is a plug and play installation, so you just pop out the old bulb, put the new one in, you don't get any error codes, there's no modifications required. Literally is plug and play and a super easy installation to do by yourself in a matter of minutes. So with that, I'll go over the install instructions real quick. Before you replace the license plate bulb, make sure that the lights are off and that they have been for a few minutes just to give it a chance to cool down. They will be a little bit hot to the touch if they're on. To locate the bulb, we're just going to go directly below the bumper here. Again, the fixture is right here. And then just to the left of the hitch here, you can reach your hand through and you're going to find the back side of that socket and you're going to twist it counterclockwise and then pull it out this direction. With it out, you can see we've got the socket here, we've got the old halogen bulb here, and then to remove the bulb, you're just going to take 2 fingers on the outside and just gently pull it out. This is an up close of the old bulb, and then we've got the new LED that's replacing it. You see they're pretty similar in terms of overall size. The ends do look slightly different, but if you look at that angle there, you can see that they're essentially the same, allowing for that plug and play installation. And then we're going to take the new LED and you're just going to gently push it back into this socket until it's nice and snug. And once that's in, we just got to reinstall it. Super easy to do, although you will see that if around the outside of this little plastic piece here, this gray piece, we've got these 3 little tabs. It's important to note that when we twisted that counterclockwise and pulled it out, there's 3 little gaps that those line up with. So that's good because there's no concern about installing this incorrectly. It will only allow you to install it the correct way. So you've got the 2 smaller tabs here and then a larger tab down here. So you want to look up in there, locate where the larger tab goes so that you can align it, push it into those 3 locations, and then again, just twist it clockwise to lock it into place. With that, I'm gonna go ahead and line this up in here. This step can be a little bit tricky to do. Again, the key is that you want to line up those tabs. I just heard it click into place, so I'm just going to twist it clockwise, and then we should be good to go. So now that it's installed, we'll go ahead and jump up to the front of the truck, test out the lights and make sure that they're operating. You could do that step before you push it into place, but because it's so easy to access, I'm not really that concerned about having to do it a second time. If for some reason the bulb doesn't work, pull it out and just flip it around 180 degrees and reinsert it, and that should solve your problem. So here's a look at the license plate with the new LED bulbs installed. As you can see, it is much brighter. There's going to be no problem seeing Smokey the Bear at night, and going away from that yellowish tone to this more natural light that we get with the LEDs really freshens up the look of the truck. For about $10 and 10 minutes of your time, this is a really cheap and easy way to give your truck a much more modern appearance. If you have any comments or questions on the install, leave them in the section below. I've also done a number of other LED upgrades to the Tacoma. Put those links in the description. For more 3rd Gen Tacoma videos, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.